Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Thank you for tuning in. DC TechNet is your own channel, so do like, share and subscribe. It motivates us to create new content. So let's see what we have today. Today we are going to discuss on pagefile.sys and the implications why it grows. And it will be part 1 in the series, and the agenda would be what is a page file, what does a page file do, and then how does virtual memory works, and key points about a page file. So these are the 4 points that we are going to discuss today. So what is a page file? So a page file, it's also known as a paging file or swap file or virtual memory, is a reserved portion of the storage drive. It can be hard drive or solid state disk, used by the operating system to supplement physical memory, that is RAM. So when the computer run out of available RAM, the operating system uses page file to temporarily store data that is not actively used, and it will definitely free up the RAM for other important tasks. And in a layman's language, when the part of the hard drive is used as RAM, it's called as virtual memory or page file. So it's pretty straightforward. So how does virtual memory or the page file works? Think of virtual memory as a safety net. When our computer's RAM is overwhelmed with tasks, the operating system shifts some data from our RAM to a designated space on the hard drive called as page file or virtual memory. So this frees up our RAM for more immediate tasks. The process of swapping data between RAM and the hard drive is absolutely seamless to us. We don't know what's happening. The operating system takes care of swapping the programs from RAM to the virtual memory, and again from virtual memory back to the RAM. So let us understand how does this virtual memory works with an example. So let's say this is our RAM on our computer and this is the hard drive. Now the Windows operating system boots. So as soon as the operating system boots, the operating system gets loaded onto the RAM and virtual memory is created on the hard drive, and we normally start working. We open up a lot of programs, let's say a PDF file, a PowerPoint presentation, a Word document or an Excel file, any program. Now let's say we started working on our Excel file. So the Excel program is active right now, all the other programs are inactive. So what the operating system will do is operating system will move some of the inactive programs to the virtual memory, that is a part of the hard drive. So this will free up the space on the RAM for other immediate tasks. And let's say we stopped working on Excel now, we started working on MS Word. So now MS Word is active and Excel is inactive. So Excel will be moved out to virtual memory and MS Word will be brought onto the RAM as we are working on it. So this is just a layman's pictorial representation of how virtual memory works. There are a lot of permutation and combination at the back. This is just to make you understand the things. So where is the page file? So it's a hidden file on the primary drive where the operating system is installed. Now again, this is by default. It's on the C drive, pagefile.sys. But definitely we can play around with it. If you want, we can move or we can change the location of our page file. We'll take it up in our upcoming sessions. But this is the default location. That's the root of the C drive. So what does the page file do? So page file provides virtual memory. So it increases the total amount of usable RAM by allowing the operating system to offload data from RAM to the virtual memory or the hard drive. It stores inactive data. So the operating system moves less frequently used data or processes to page file and keeping the RAM active. Prevents system crashes. So if the RAM is fully utilized, okay, the page file helps prevent application crashes or system unavailability or instability by providing additional memory space. Supports multitasking. So the page file enables running multiple applications simultaneously, even if their combined memory usage exceeds the available RAM. And it handles memory dumps. So whenever we get into a blue screen of death and we have a memory dump, those memory dumps are, say, stored or saved on page file. So let's see some of the key points about page file. Purpose: it allows the system to handle more processes or large applications than RAM alone couldn't accommodate. Location, we have seen it. This is the default location. It's on the root of the C drive. Usage: infrequently accessed data is moved to page file, while frequently accessed data remains on the RAM for better performance. Adjustable size. So we can adjust the page size say according to the usage. Now we will be covering this adjustability feature in our upcoming section. So we can adjust the size of the page file. Performance impact. So while the page file helps prevent crashes when the RAM is insufficient, accessing data from page file can be, say, it's slower than RAM, as hard drives are, say, comparatively slower than our random access memory. So let us look at the summary of today's session. So we have seen what is a page file, what does a page file do, how does virtual memory works, and we have seen some key points about a page file. Hope you have enjoyed today's session. Thank you for watching, and if you feel this channel is helping you to learn anything new, do like, share and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.